For this bookmark, cut 4 pieces of same sized heart-shaped paper and fold them from middle. Color them with 4 different bright colors. Now place one piece on the upper side of the bookmark to mark the position and start drawing air balloon with pencil. Now glue only middle portion of all 4 hearts where you have marked the position previously. Let's draw and cut some clouds and start coloring the bookmark. Here I am using watercolor pencil for coloring. After completing the coloring, you can stick the clouds. On the back side, you can write travel codes on a light background. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe our channel for more creative videos.